Welcome back, my hungry people. I see you have returned to watch me cook some more of my very unique dishes. That's why today I shall lecture you on how to make fried fluffy eggs. But you have to make sure to watch till the end because I will be revealing my two secret ingredients. First, prepare your yellow and white eggs. Make sure they're chicken eggs or they won't be as fluffy. Then, my very first secret ingredient. Wait for it. MSG. My muchacha always asks me, what is the MSG? So, I tell her, it's my Mysterious Seasoning Granules for all my dishes. Now, for my second secret ingredient, which will make these eggs fluff up like your pillows. I call this H2O, or what the common people call it, water. Understood? Excellent. Finally, as the eggs are sizzling on low heat, remember not to flip it until you plate it. There, we're done. Would you like to taste some? Everyone who watches this will like, subscribe, and press the bell button.